gosh.
Yeah, same full trigger. So hey, drain the cartridge.
Yeah, old shit.
What is it? It's,
A little wobbly there?
well, when I start to get... God, I'm fucking wobbly! It's not even doing it. I pulled the trigger and it's fucking hot.
Safety?
Hot? Safety? What happened? Is it my fault?
Oh, I didn't eject the old round.
Oh.
Here, there you go. Sorry about that.
I thought it was me. Oh, God.
It was me.
Damn, you bitch. Got me a little wobbly here.
Oh,
God. Over the head. Must have been over the head.
You shooting the head?
Need a
I
paper
lost
target.
it. Huh?
Need
I
a paper
got a little
target.
wobbly.
No, we have paper targets in the car, Jerry. In the fucking, in the passenger door. Let me try one of those fuckers.
I used full trigger.
Yeah. Pull the trigger. Oh, fuck. There's more?
Yeah. Both 10 rounds.
Bitch. It's going through that fucker.
It might be.
I love this bullshit.
Yeah.
It's very old school.
It's the only one I got that'll shoot shorts. I got another one that's semi-automatic, but it doesn't shoot shorts.
Oh, the
Only the long rifles never really went out.
Oh.
Because it echoes back there.
Oh.
We're taking fire. Yeah. You ever shoot a 22 Magnum?
20, there's such a thing as 22 Magnum?
Yeah. Yeah, regular 22 rifle won't shoot it.
But the Magnum is a long one.
Yeah, it's got a big cartridge and a pointed. It looks like a 223, but shrunk down a little bit.
Huh. But the 22s, I don't know what the fuck is the purpose of 22s. Not for hunting, because you're not going to shoot anybody.
Oh, you can shoot ground squirrels.
Yeah.
Target practice.
Yeah.
You know, instead of spending a buck around for, shooting a 30-06, you can shoot all day for $10 on a 22, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking still
Nobody hit anything? Nobody hit nothing?
We don't,
I don't know.
We don't know.
I could have filled that head up with tomato sauce or something.
Oh, yeah. You should get that maybe 3 feet in front of it.
Son of a bitch. That shit is so good. Okay. Fucker. Where's that shit? Shit's here. Блять. Jesus fuck. Fucking mess. Look at that shit.
in the Philly?
No, yeah.
I got that one on the other.
The target be good with the stomach, huh? Or with the laser. Yeah, put it on the chest.
Down just.
I had a speed loader for that thing. Fucking that thing.
I like a little punch.
Yeah.
Those are pretty big bees.
Yeah, these are plastic.
I think those black ones. What are they? What's the black ones made out of?
Like polymer from kind of.
Not bigger than a beady.
No, it's 6 millimeter. This is what? 4.77?
Yeah.
177.
177.
I'm gonna fucking triple this shit.
Yeah, I think it's 177.
What's your shot?
Yeah, there you go.
Let's take the pushy out of here. You also have some of them talking about it.
Put it on your arm first.
I got the pushy area. Oh, God.
It's hard to see back there. Fuck, I found the speed loader and I left it at the house.
Oh, no.
I was doing it by hand. Fucking thing. Fucking fly.
You make your funnel? Like one by one?
Yeah, imagine. There's a fucking thing here.
Oh, yeah. I'll grab it. I'll take it to the body.
Oh, that's good.
There's a 100-footer tape.
There we go.
That's give me a rough idea where.
You got all kinds of shit, huh?
Yeah.
You have like a tank hidden somewhere.